On a bright crypto morning, BITSEE had a plan to create a new technology, spread it through the land with his BTC-SEC tokens, funding dreams so grand he envisioned a future where everyone would understand. There he stood in the marketplace, with a vision to share. And he was thinking to himself, this could be the answer beyond compare. Then he rallied the community and showed them the way. There were whispers in the crowd, and he thought he heard them say, "Welcome to the world of BITSEE the Crypto Bear. Such a lovely place, such a lovely space. Plenty of dreams in the BTC-SEC token-powered venture. Anytime you're here, you can find it near." His mind was sharp and clever, a revolutionary kind. He had the vision, and he had the knowledge to leave the old ways behind, how the tokens danced in the digital light, celebrating the find, the hidden potential of the blockchain, no longer confined. So he called up his friends, "Please bring your ideas." They said, "We haven't seen this spirit in many years." Projects rise in the evening, fueled by crypto-might engineers and dreamers, working through the night with BITSEE's guidance, technology turning bright, and they say, "You haven't seen anything this right." And still those voices are calling from far away, wake you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, "Welcome to the world of BITSEE the Crypto Bear." Such a lovely place, such a lovely space, plenty of dreams in the BTC-SEC token-powered venture. Anytime you're here, you can find it near. Last thing I remember, I was joining the crew, trying to find the pathway to make dreams come true. "Relax," said BITSEE. "With BTC-CC, you'll achieve more than you imagined. Together, we'll believe. Welcome to the world of BITSEE the Crypto Bear." Such a lovely place, such a lovely space. Plenty of dreams in the BTC-CC token-powered venture. Anytime you're here, you can find it near. On a bright crypto morning, BITSEE leads the way. Cold smell of innovation rising every day. Living in a dream where the future's now in sight. With BITSEE's vision, we're driving through the night, into the light.